Metro scene.
For the young, empowered, creative.
Sakay na.
Hello everyone, I am Baus Rufo.
And I am Makoy Dub.
And together we are the Dog Show Divas. And we are on the cover of Metro Scene for the month of May.
Yes, indeed.
We're not cover girls, we are
Cover dogs.
covered court,
Cover girl.
covered mouth,
Covered shade.
covered kama.
Coverage.
Yes, we own this place. Oh, Mare, saan ang mansyon mo dyan?
Queer audiences, I think, get to connect with the conversation because sabi nga ni Albert Einstein, there is universality in specificity.
And that specificity of universality is the bastion of commonality.
And universality is close to the word universities. That's why we have to reopen the schools.
Yes, because education is essential.
And essential is oil.
Yes. But you know, yung queer familiarity with the humor that Baus and I are churning out is the one that is very important to make the Philippines a better place.
And I thank you.
Anong nauna? Itlog o bayag?
Cancel culture.
Sabi nga nila, tip your drivers,
Correct.
tip your queens. Pero for me, I think CC is the Santa Cruzan culture of it all.
Yeah, the pageantry, the beauty, and ultimately the femininity.
Because femininity is the solidity of,
The acidity.
yes. And when you have acidity, therefore you have GERD.
And when you have GERD, you will say, oh my GERD.
Oh my GERD, you can't drink coffee.
Oo, ang kabisera ng kabaklaan.
Kabisera ng kabaklaan, marami ang nagsasabi lahat daw ng mga bakla sa Mandaluyong, maitim ang tuhod. Malamang.
Malamang dahil sila po ay laging nakaluhod.
Nakaluhod.
Pero bakit hindi ginawang mandaluhod?
We hope that when queer people watch our show, they have a moment of levity, a moment of lightness and joy. I mean, Makoy and I truly believe that comedy is such a powerful delivery for whatever message you want to convey. And when you laugh a little harder, you feel a little better and you heal a lot faster.
That's true. When you heal a lot and therefore you are happy. And when you're happy when you know it, clap your
Foot. At ang mga gag reflexes
Oo.
are not found.
Are not
Because
found.
here, the gag is the attraction.
Yes.
I think something that is missing in the mainstream media in terms of queer Filipino identity is, I think, the anger or rage that we intentionally had to carry because we were invalidated, we were suppressed for so long. People think na when you're queer, happy ka agad. But I think before that, we have spent a lot of time hiding in the shadows, feeling invisible. And I think naturally, sometimes anger or rage can stem from that.
That's true. But also, yung ginagawa namin sa Dog Show Divas, this is a platform that we created because we want to, you know, yung hindi namin nagagawa sa mainstream, we want to do it here. And therefore, yung anger or yung rage na nafe-feel namin, nag-aano siya, kumbaga, namanganganak siya into something
Yeah.
positive, nag-open siya ng a lot of opportunities, not just for us ni Baus, but
Yeah.
we open a lot of doors, actually.
Correct. I mean, at this point, you can already call us your door bitch.
Yes. Pero take note, do we door charge?
We do.
Yeah.
Because money is life.
Yeah. It is essential for the economy.
Yes. And when you charge it to experience.
Yes.
And experience is the best teacher.
I think Dog Show Divas is really about starting conversations that you cannot see or hear sa mainstream media, but also, kumbaga, we exaggerate things in a way that it activates your critical thinking.
Mhm.
But at the end of the day, parang mapapaisip ka, may point. Pero at the end of the day, may point na wala.
Correct. And I think Dog Show Divas for me is hopefully a reminder to everyone that it is your God-given right to be able to laugh at anything. Because sometimes we forget na deadlines, maybe injustices sa government, or just the steady stream of bad news that we see on our feeds, na nakalimutan natin, actually, pwedeng tumawa at karapatan nating tumawa. So hopefully our show becomes, somewhat of a reminder of that gift that we all get to have in this life.
Oh, Mare, saan ang mansyon mo dyan?
Ang mansion ko dyan, medyo gusto ko yun. Kasi parang pwede kong gawin yung Pande Manila pag umaga. Again, ako po si Baus Rufo,
Ako po si Makoy Dubs, and we are...
the Dog Show Divas, and just like what our fathers did, we will now leave you.
Ema lang! We will leave you a song.
Okay.
Okay, listen guys. Metro, Metro Scene.
For the young, empowered, creative.
Sakay na.
Pagmulat ng mata, andyan na ang baklita sa Metro Scene. Sa Metro Scene.
Kung
First of all, Metro Scene.
First of all,
It
Metro.
sounds like a form of antibiotic.
it's, alam mo, para siyang, yeah, that's true.
Oh my God! Antibiotic is homophobia. Antibiotic. Oh my God.
I'm thinking, is the word biot a bacteria, came from the word bacteria?
I mean, sabi nila salot tayo. So I guess the answer is yes.